Alright guys, so I was down in the fish room checking out some stuff and I noticed, it's bright, that I have a dead fish. And typically I don't like to throw away my fish from in the fish room when they die because I like to bury them in the ground because, not for childhood reasons, you know, like when we were kids we bury our dead goldfish. But it actually is good for the plants, it enriches the soil, and well, let me turn the camera around and show you what I did. So what I did was came out about 6 inches from the base of the plant and I dug a hole 6 inches deep. And then what I'm going to do is just plop the fish down in there. That is actually a red shoulder severum that I've had since it was a juvenile. Grew it out, had it for like 3 or 4 years, and it just bit the dust. And I'm actually pretty bummed about it. But anyway, so what I do next is cover it with some lime. And it's important for you to do that because if you don't cover it with lime, not only is it going to smell, but you're going to have critters and flies and all kinds of stuff digging at it to try to unearth what was down there. So after you've done that, cover it back. Pat it down. It'll enrich the soil. It'll fertilize this rose that you know I've been struggling with. And overall, it'll do more for your plants and your soil over and above throwing it away. Let's get back to work.